Hello everybody, Chibi Gaming here, sorry but it's still start. But welcome back to Tears of the Kingdom. Yes, I'm alone this time. The last episode we got the Master Sword, which is right over yonder. As well as getting, you know, it's mainly the map to figure out what the fuck happened to Zelda. Now I've done some side quests and found some Koroks on my own. At least one or two, I think. Oh yeah, and I got a reward. What was this one again? I think it was that one was an accident, probably. Because those cards I found were once again the fucking help the guy out. It's not really hard to figure out. I've just done more shrines. And I did 2 side quests on my own. I did Lurline Village, so I could complete that. And for those wondering, there's logs near the freaking shrine area that you can actually use to freaking like give the guy. So it wasn't as hard as I thought it'd be. Just game logs, reloaded, like by warping back to that area, which respawns the trees, and boom. There's your easy supply. You don't have to give it all 15 logs at once. Thank fuck. The other was the fucking, like, getting all the pictures because of those freaking ruins. Like, each one said you gives you 100, like, rupees each. But, if you do all 12, you get a freaking, like, special pattern. I'm probably getting it lighter.
Oh.
You kinda tuned into this shit.
Ah. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah.
Like, well, in the village, you're allowed to use the entire facilities for free there. And why the fuck did I go on my way to get this off camera? For that guy. Well, simple, really. I didn't want to deal with that, and it's apparently excessively hot in there because of lava. I wasted quite a few healing items there. Here's your bullshit. You're just, I'm pretty sure, glue-infested bullshit.
Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Oh.
I swear, those are not healthy.
Ah. Ah. Ooh.
Oh yeah, the ruined beast shit. Totally forgot. Kinda need to go look around at that later. Okay. There are 2 like shrine quests shrine quests I actually do off camera because I'm not dealing with that shit. I have no idea how to do this one at all. I had no fucking idea. And this, I'm assuming I just need all the goddamn, you know, all 4, and I'll figure the shit out from there. So now, let's get back to story. And this time I'm gonna go on foot. Why am I going on foot? And why the fuck do I have a fucking sapphire stuck to my shield? I thought it would help me cool down. Apparently not. For when it comes to fucking lava, I need the goddamn lava gear for that, apparently. But this still works for, like, defense. It'll still help me out. And help keep me cool for certain areas, at least. So it'll help a little bit. Just not enough. So I really need to buy that fire gear sooner or later. What? Ow, little shit. But yeah, that's why my health is like up to fucking shit baskets right now. I am completely off the wrong road. So you want to be in the video? I couldn't really save after this one, so hopefully nothing bad happens here. So I'd rather not have to figure out to deal with that shit. I have to use some like good shit in here. I'll live. For now, at least. Is that fucking water? Oh yeah, hot springs. That'd be a perfect way to heal up. Hello there. Thanks for me today. Well, tonight it's like very late for me right now, but I'm recording this. But since I got the Barlow's getting the marble roast, I figured now is the best time to start. Oh wait, this way. Thank you, random stranger. Place the coke, place the coke. God damn it, Silver! Don't want you on makeup computer screen. I need that. You fucking disrupt everything. I have to kick him out. God damn it! Give me a moment. So's being mad. Okay, back. Also, I'll be honest, right now, like, finding a light dragon just recently became far more goddamn common. Hot spring! Hot springs. Nature's healing. Slow as fuck, but I guess the job done. Do I have any fairies on me still? Because I fought some Lionels and it did not go well. It really fucking did. Like, okay, I have one. Wow, I only have one berry. I need to go berry hunting later. Also, need to cook more food. Fuck. What's in there? Okay, let's figure out my food problem. I got less healing than... And this combo. Maybe I'll do it for now. What's in here? Oh, fuck! West Restaurant Cave. Oh, God, I did not want to go there. Fucking lava again. Man. As a fan gonna help me. Guess we're getting up there, maybe. Oh god, another one of these guys. That really does not look healthy. I think that's corrupting them. With all this gloom around, apparently. Well, I have the money to at least get the goddamn gear. I mean, I should. I have a shitload of money. I have 40,000. Because yes, I have used the meat glitch. I totally forgot about those.
Oh.
Fireproof elixirs.
Ah.
I am dumb. I am fucking dumb for forgetting about those entirely. Like, I could have just made those. That probably would have worked for all those lava areas. God damn it, me.
Oh.
Cool. Yeah, that Mama Rosa is fucking corrupting people. Oh, it's bound to be expensive as shit. No, we're ways off. You guys think we'll find any bosses around here on our way? Piss off. Whoa, that's a new kind of meat. Apparently, like, using Zonai devices to arrows does do something, apparently. At least with arrows, I guess that's how they make their rocket launchers. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, that is ominous. That is being a fucking thumbnail.
Oh. Ah.
Huh?
Yeah, they are beyond corrupted. Jesus Christ.
Mmm. Ah. Mmm.
Who are you?
Huh? Ah.
Yeah, that's fair.
Ah. Mmm.
Awesome.
Ah. Eh?
Is there a shrine nearby? I can't tell. I really can't tell. Maybe it's further up ahead. Probably. Ah, the way to the village is actually a lot shorter than I realized. Probably pick up the village one. Oh yeah, I'm probably picking up that. Okay, I'm going straight to here. For fuck's sake!
Oh. Oh.
That's your chizzy. This is expensive.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Yeah, totally gonna be upgrading that as soon as I can. Oh, he does not look good.
No. Ah.
Hey,
He does not look well. Huh?
you all talking about marbled rock roast, are ya?
Wait, is that him? You know, holy shit. You changed a lot over the years.
There's nothing to worry about, in my opinion.
Oh
Now
god.
stop flapping your rock chompers and get over here, Goro!
What the fuck?
Huh? What could you want?
Him too?
Yo!
Oh, yeah. What's Gwen? Gwen, what are you doing?
I just wanted to say to you in the audience that 8 years have passed between, like, in universe between Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom.
I mean, it was definitely 7.
And I've heard people say 8.
7, 8. Who cares? He changed a lot then, regardless. Like, holy shit.
Hey!
Huh. Hmm. Hey,
Fucking.
No.
Oh god. Why do you go from such a nice person to an asshat?
yo!
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Huh?
You guys think it's is the fake Zelda? Cause something's wrong with him. He should not be like that at all. I don't give a shit. Something is wrong with him. Yeah, he was. That was a fucking asshat. And I'm upset about that because I liked him where he was. No, he's fucking
Oh.
unbearable.
Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah.
What have I do? Once I unlock the goddamn warp here, I'm gonna see about upgrading my shit. I guess that would help, I guess, but that's only sapphire. It was in sight. How the fuck did I lose? Oh, okay. Fucking hell. Everyone is. So gloom infested rock roasts and cools down volcano. What? Oh yeah. The fuck is that? I'd be just gonna check that out. That seems like a gloom-covered enemy. And my armor annoyingly doesn't help with that. Alright, what puzzles do we gotta deal with today? Wheeled Wonders. Assuming this is mainly bridge building or some shit. Oh wait, I saw a cheese for this one actually. I couldn't resist doing the cheese at least once. That failed. Nope. That failed. Use a puzzle. Aha! Suck it, bitch. Oh, guys, you curious something? Oh, so I only need 2 of these to get full flame. But not enough for lava. I mean, there's still the whole set bonus thing, which is useful, I guess. Oh, what's it here? Useful. And not really. I don't even know what this. What was this for? Idea. It ain't too bad. At this point, I'm pretty sure we're dealing with Zelda's duplicate, though. Because, if you recall, that Gandalf was able to make it. There's been, I guess, sightings of a duplicate Zelda at this point. Man, those wars are good, though. The fuck are these for? What? Is it closed off? I'll bring this back for now, but let's figure this shit out. I have no idea what to do. Great idea. There we go. You need to get them all. Or just enough, apparently. I guess there was a number around. I just happened to. There was a fucking threshold, I guess, to break it. I guess I just broke the threshold. Okay, so I just needed enough threshold to freaking flip the switch. Alright, that's fine. But since you have the Great Fairy unlocked, there's something I really want to do. I also need upgrade my hearts. So I was wondering, okay, let's be careful. Alright, before we deal with this mess, is there an easy ferry to access real quick that isn't a fucking, like, long-ass hike, or... it doesn't seem like it. And this is the closest one regardless. So, shall we? Wait, did I go to the right area? I hope I did. Yeah, I did. Because I want to at least upgrade my Flamebreaker outfit, because I know I'm going to fucking have to wear that for the goddamn thing. And I'd rather not be caught with my dick in my hand. Freaking like... I'd rather get fucked up the ass. I'd rather not. So the Flamebreaker outfit's probably something I'm definitely going to focus on upgrading. Probably. Messaging someone as I do this real quick. I have plenty. I'm getting our fireproof lizards. I'm gonna zombies right up the gates. I'm gonna need more.
Oh, ha.
And smothering butterflies. I need a lot of shit. And I need to kill more blue moblins.
Ha.
And
Ha.
fucking damn it. Getting a lot more. I tell you I'm not gonna get the set bonus, which is sad.
Oh, ha. Ha. Ha.
Okay, so I can at least get 2 more to a decent amount.
Oh, ha. Ha.
But yeah, I'm totally gonna be grinding off camera just to upgrade this damn thing.
Ha.
Oh yeah, I have the shit I need to upgrade this shit now, huh? How about can I upgrade this? I'm curious.
Oh, ha. Ha.
I kind of grind a little bit.
Ha.
Fang? How the fuck am I didn't know there were Fang items. How the fuck am I supposed to get those? That's something to figure out, apparently.
Bye.
Fang items? Oh boy. We got a lot of work ahead of us, don't we? But it's simply odds what I am going to do, though. I am totally going to be upping and grinding up my shit. Like, Jesus Christ. Because I want the flame breaker out. Like, I know I only need to wear 2 pieces of the flame breaker outfit, so I'll probably wear the strongest 2 pieces I got, and then pair it with my strongest armor piece. Have a little gloom resistance on top of what I got. It's not the. Oh, I'm already doing that. Okay, then I'm fine. Like, this'll work. Like, it's not the best defense I can muster, but it's the best one that includes lava resistance, which, if I'm going to fucking that HQ, I'm probably gonna need. Hi. Hi. I'll totally fix this for you. Okay, so it's one of these. Alright, let's get moving. Check out. This goes to Yubiko HQ. Alright, that actually saves me time! I need to be here anyways. Thank you. Thank you. How'd you get that? You okay? Weird mask. Oh, I need to rip that mask straight off! Oh shit, we need to get off him! That's the fake Zelda! Oh, I'm taking a picture of this. I got his weapon. Okay, I need to stun himself. Else I ain't gonna do shit. Power for grinding, bitch! Cheesed. I fucking cheesed that because I'm overpowered. You back to yourself now, bitch? Huh? Fuck, that's definitely a fake Zelda. That's the fake Zelda from before. What happened?
Huh? Oh. Oh.
It's a fake! It's the fake one!
Huh?
Oh no.
Huh?
The sage! He calleth!
Huh? Huh? Oh.
Bip!
I can do it! Here I go! Charge!
I'm totally gonna be breaking everything in here real quick.
I can do it!
That turns fast!
Here I go!
Let's get the fuck out.
I can do it! Charge!
So he was full on brainwashed, what the fuck?
Ooh.
Are there any others I can have to fucking fight? I mean, I could pretty much guess he's the second one, given that I think, you know, building. Of course, it seems like that's gonna be the running theme. The only reason Tebu is because he's the fucking leader of a group.
Huh? Hmm. Oh.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
Huh.
Hmm?
No.
Oh.
Ooh.
Alright.
Yep.
Our party has grown to 3. God damn it. They seriously bail on me for the photo. There we go. So we're definitely heading back to the village first. Oh, what the fuck? That is totally fucking Gloom right here. Yeah, totally fucking Gloom. Like, I've heard an enemy called these fucking glue hands, and I am terrified of them. Like, given that he doesn't fly, how the fuck am I gonna transfer him about normally? Oh wait, I heard about those things over there. Hold up. Supposedly, they can not only repair weapons, but upgrade them. Ow. He's got a range. That happened. Look how you do that. Arthrock tentacle. Slammy. So I honestly thought it would need cool saffron, but apparently not. The fuck? Well, it's a way up the mountain. Let's go. Wait a minute. Oh wait, That has to be the entrance to the damn fucking thing, the underground area. Because I remember unintentionally finding the fire temple, which I didn't show on camera. It was a recording. I found a... What the fuck's that over there? I don't want to check that out. Pretty sure it's something like that. I'm curious what that is. That's what I hope it is. No, an inn. That would be awesome, but I don't even know if there'd be inns up here. Regardless, it's pretty nice to be able to fucking, you know, traverse. I need to check on this shit real quick. There's some things I... Alright. How did this type? Because some people were bugging me that I need to freaking like message real quick. It was important, so no, I couldn't have done it elsewhere. Not a shrine, but... This guy's still absolutely fucked. Whoa, different vehicles.
Here I go! I can do it!
Oh, no fucking way. Oh, that is awesome! So his use is for vehicles. Do the best. Because he can just do this shit. Woo!
Here I go!
Oh god, that's gonna be fucking fun. I could just cheese it and climb all the way up. Maybe.
I can do it!
I do have an idea. Gonna take a fan and where are my rockets? There my rocket. There's probably turn this around.
Oh. Yeah.
Get in the cart, bitch. There you go. That's called using your brain.
Uh-huh. Oh. Hmm?
He says fuck you. Alright, that was awesome. Anyways, I guess that's all for this episode. I know it's a little shorter than usual, but yeah, I might like to take a break at this point. But we did quite a bit of story, and we're probably gonna be exploring more of Death Mountain. Either that, or you know, cheese it and fly up the up. Either one works, because apparently, apparently a friend here can fucking like become a fucking wrecking ball for our vehicles, which is awesome. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and hope to see you guys next time. Chibi Gaming signing off. Peace.